So here we are. It's literally the first snow that we've had this season, January the 20th. And this is the dog's, Ethel, her first visit with snow. She's never seen it before in this amount. I mean, it's not like we got a truckload or anything. There's like 3 inches down or something like that. Ethel's taking advantage, the first snow poop. She's loving it. It's starting to add up a bit. I mean, it's right around 1 p.m. They're forecasting that we're gonna get 20 centimeters. So that's like, what, 7-8 inches. So we're hoping to get more, but I don't know. But either way, I'm gonna take the pig out, have a nice rip in the snow, chuck it in 4-wheel drive and cruise around a little bit. I won't head to the woods or anything like that today. Tomorrow, if it does accumulate to anything and it stays below freezing so that it sticks around, I'll definitely take a trip somewhere where it's deeper on the mountain or something like that and just go for a trail ride. So here we are. It's quite a few hours later, and was initially out at 1. Now it's close to 5. It's probably like 4:45 now. And Pam went out, and at 2 o'clock she came back, and this is all that fell since then on top of her car. So it slowed down a lot, but I'm still gonna take it out just for a rip around the sand pit and in back of the house and stuff, just for fun. Throw it in 4-wheel drive and just go for a little rip, spin the wheels a little. All right, so get this thing flashed up and get some heat going. Do a cold start on it. This hasn't been running since last night. I just drove up the side of the sand pit in 4-low, second gear, put a camera on that tree just to catch some footage. And yeah, it's definitely making it harder, but I mean, that hill's pretty steep anyway. But I come up it, and she was doing some chewing to come up it. But keep in mind, everything underneath that snow, there's no frost whatsoever. It's completely soft. It just spins right down to bare sand in like a second. took over there. It broke the dry shaft off. Yeah. She down. That's the end of that. I gotta try and find it too, which might be a huge undertaking. There was a lot of slop thrown around here. No idea.
4 hours later.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Well, it took a bit, but we hunted around with a steel shovel in the sand. It was kind of hard to find the dry shaft, but we did come up with it. There was just sand everywhere. I mean, we had some pretty deep trenches dug there, and I figured it came loose, came off, and ended up getting run over and drove into the sand. I would say that this let go, and then it just pulled out of the slip, got flung out because you could hear it flopping around a little bit. But yeah, she's seen better days. But at least we found it. We can get it retubed. I have no idea if that cardan's any good or not. It might be screwed. I do have another one here, and that was for the other dry shaft that I haven't gotten around to doing yet. That's where we're at. Kind of sucks. Crappy way. I was just starting to enjoy it. Crappy way to end the evening. And that obviously ruins us for tomorrow if we do get more snow, which it's still coming down a little bit out there. But yeah, that's the end of that. We won't be able to go out tomorrow. My other dry shaft sitting over there on the shelf. Like I said in the other videos, I can run it as an emergency thing to get it into the parking spot. I couldn't pick where I put it, so she's awfully close to the garage, and it dug a pretty good hole right there. I had to fill that back in. As you can see in the video, it did get up into place. A little rev limiter and it made it, but not the optimal way to get into your driveway. So I will put that other shaft in it. Once I take that cardan section off, I'll throw the other shaft in it, and that way I can get up the driveway. But anyway, that's the way she goes. Like, subscribe, comment, share, laugh at the at the antics. That's all you can do really now. And we'll see you in the next video.